I'm back. I know it's been a while. I think I've only uploaded 3 videos this year so far, so sorry about that. Anyways, I'm back and just in time for Easter. By the time you're watching this, I think it's gonna be Easter Sunday. So that's why I'm going to be doing this super cool Easter inspired look that I found on Instagram. I'll pop the picture up somewhere here. So yeah, it's so cool. Well, I think it's cool. Some people think that's like weird. But anyways, my hair's looking crazy, but I'm gonna put it in a bald cap anyways, so it's not gonna matter. So yeah, let's just get into the video. So I'm first gonna start by putting a bald cap on. Actually, this is just a wig cap, but I don't have a bald cap, so it's gonna have to do. So once you look like this, like you're about to go swimming, then we're ready to move on to the next step. Oh my gosh. I remember when I had to do this in primary school. You needed to be covering all your hair and your ears because an egg doesn't have ears. And yeah, no hair. They don't have any hair either. Before we put any paints on, I'm going to put some Vaseline on like dry areas I have on my face. Like on my pimples, sometimes they can get quite dry, especially if like you've had drying solution and stuff on them. This way our creams just glide on better. I would do the same if I was putting foundation on, but I think I would use like coconut oil instead of Vaseline. Around your nose is a common area that most people get dry in. Keep hearing noises and it's freaking me out. I'm home alone right now. Put a little bit under my eyes. It's not that it's dry, I just don't like pulling on my eyes too much, so the slipperier my under eyes are, the better, so that the creams can spread easily and I don't have to look 150 by the time I'm 25. Throughout this whole video, for the paints, I'm going to be using these all Ben Nye paints. I'm going to be using the Clown White and also the Rainbow Wheel. And I can pretty much make any colour out of these. So this is all you really need if you want to start like doing more creative makeup. And I don't think they were too expensive. I got them off Scotty's makeup, whatever it's called. What is it? Scotty's? Yeah. I'll put a link to the website where I got mine off. I just checked and I should probably get rid of my eyebrows. So I'm going to show you a really good way to cover them up. Well, it's the best way I have found since I'm not very good at it. So I'm going to warm this up on the back of my hand. I'm then going to go through it very lightly. And I'm going to brush them. Okay, so then you're going to let that eyebrow dry for like quite a while. Okay, so now that it's all dry, I'm going to get a lot of glue onto my palette, and then I'm going to take my spatula and like smooth it on my eyebrow like butter almost. Okay, so it's been a while because the battery took forever to charge, so that's why the lighting might be different. So anyways, I don't know what I last filmed, so I put the color correctors on and set them with the powder like we did with the eyebrows. Just like using the sponge. And now I think I'm just gonna fill in the whole like egg white. Decided on the I've decided on the eyebrows. I'm gonna try and like put it on the white paint on like we did with the glue. Decided I'm going to try and take the sponge just because it can cover a lot more area. I'm just going to quickly do some of my TikToks. So what I'm going to do on the picture now is do the little like, the bit where the egg cracks in black paint. I sort of just did my own little like cracked egg pattern. So I'm gonna do the yellow bit, which is the chick's face first. I'm basically just gonna paint in this bit here yellow. I ain't trying to be cool like you or wobbling around in your high heel shoes. I'm clumsy. I just realized I'm literally drawing a chicken being birthed on my face. It's kind of weird. I'm excited because I have so many different makeup looks lined up for you guys. I feel like I lost my love for makeup a little bit. But then I started doing makeup videos on TikTok and I feel like it brought the love right back, which I love. Okay, that was a lot of love in one sentence. The next thing to do for this little chick is to put like a little bit of blush. So I'm hoping if I just like put some red on and mix it with the yellow, it'll look like a blush. Get a little bit red and tap it on the back of my hand. Wow, they could not be in more different places if I tried. Now I'm just going to map out the beak, which is going to be hard. Okay, so I've done the outline of the beak. And now I think I need to fill in like all the little... Ah, I know what I missed. Okay, now that looks like a beak. Okay, I'm actually going to take some some red to do the tongue. Now I'm going to fill in the rest of the beak with the orange. I'm going to go off camera and set this all and do a little black eyeliner flick and some mascara, and then I'll be back to do the shell. Okay, so now that I look like this, I'm going to start by shading the black line with some eyeshadow. Now I'm just going to begin with the different colours, and I think I'm doing more like a circle pattern on it. So let's see how that goes. Okay, so now the last thing I have to do is cover everything in black pretty much. I just finished doing the shell, and I decided to go for more of like a blended shell look rather than like circles going around. I think I'm going to use a slightly bigger brush than the other one I had, just because it will be easier. That's pretty much it. Now if I go on a black background, all you'll be able to see is this, and that's what I want. It's meant to be an illusion. So this is the finished makeup for Easter. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to give it a big thumbs up because this took me ages, and subscribe if you want to see more weird videos like this of me doing my makeup. Don't forget to check out all my other social medias, and I'll see you in another video.